If you want to reset secure folder password on Samsung Galaxy A17, if you open the secure folder and if you enter an incorrect password, if you have a Samsung account assigned to the secure folder, then you should be able to find the forgot password or forgot pin text over here. So you can tap over here and then you can reset with your Samsung account, where you will have to sign into your account. And once you sign in, once you enter the password to your account, you will have this screen that allows you to set up the password again. So you can set up a new password that you should remember now. However, if you don't have the Samsung account, then of course that text won't be available. So let me show you how it looks like. So in this case, if we go to the secure folder and enter an incorrect password, there is nothing here. And in order to fix this, in order to restore the access to the secure folder, first we need to go to settings, scroll all the way down, and we need to open accounts. Where it is. Actually, not all the way down. It is over here. Accounts and backup. We want to go over here. We want to choose manage accounts, and we want to remove our Samsung account. So go ahead and do so. Let's choose to sign out. All right, and once it is done, if you open the secure folder, you will see something like this. The secure folder locked, and you can either sign into your account again, or you can uninstall, and this is what we want to do. We want to completely uninstall the secure folder. Of course, everything that you have inside the secure folder will be lost, so unfortunately this will be gone. But after that, once you remove the secure folder, you can set it up again. Of course, you can once again sign into your Samsung account, but essentially you can go to the security and privacy over here and then scroll down to more security settings, and you can set up the secure folder. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.